First at 4, happening right now, an investigation underway to find the source of a carbon monoxide leak that sent 15 people to the hospital and forced an evacuation at the Pearls Hotel Emma. It happened just before 11 this morning when San Antonio Fire says they got a call from a hotel employee who said they weren't feeling well. KENS 5's Vanessa Croy joining us live from the scene. And Vanessa, is a hotel still evacuated at this hour?
Well, Audrey, we have developing news that we have just learned that San Antonio Fire Department has completed their end of the investigation out here at the Hotel Emma, and we're still waiting to find out from Hotel Emma and from CPS Energy if their end of the investigation is complete and when they'll be allowing guests and staff back into the hotel. But right now it appears they are still not allowing guests inside. But we can confirm that there is no danger to the public out here. We spoke to someone with the Pearl who told us that all the other businesses are still open, that the gas leak was isolated to the hotel. The only business affected was Southerly's, and they are now open at 4 o'clock. So let's go back to the video that we shot earlier today. San Antonio Fire told us that people that were taken to the hospital were reporting symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning like nausea, dizziness, and headaches. SAFD said none were showing life-threatening symptoms. All were taken to the hospital as a precaution. San Antonio Fire said they immediately shut off gas at the hotel and got everyone out of it after the first call. Fire officials said the people affected are mostly hotel employees, and they believe the leak originated in one specific area. Crews were able to narrow down their search to the second floor near the elevators, but according to SAFD, that could be from air circulating and carrying the deadly gas to other areas of the hotel, so they couldn't confirm that's where the leak actually started. San Antonio Fire said pinpointing where that leak happened and clearing the carbon monoxide from the building will be a long and challenging task.
You know, you utilize large fans and you move that air around and get it exhausted out of the building, and then we'll go back in. And CPS has the same monitors we do. They can check for any further carbon monoxide in the building. So it's going to be a long process.
Audrey, a spokesperson from Hotel Emma, said that many of their employees are still being evaluated this afternoon. But once again, we're waiting to find out from them when the Hotel Emma, the guests and staff will be allowed back into the Hotel Emma out here at the Pearl. But once again, there is no danger to the public as all the other businesses are open. Reporting live from the Pearl, Vanessa Croy, KENS 5.